Action.
Alright, so you are adding two new machines and sliding them into your rack above the DSNG Voyager E5714. Okay, don't worry, there is only one machine like that in your rack. Okay, so you're going to take both machines, slide them in. Okay, power them up. Okay, they are already set up, ready to go.
Okay.
The red cable is going to plug in at the back. I think get my sound more than my picture.
Okay, yeah, that's
We'll
true.
plug in on ASI 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
On the modulator.
Okay.
And ASI out on the encoder on this machine, the Voyager.
Okay, the Voyager.
Okay, ASI out, ASI in.
Okay.
Red cable. Okay. Then the black cable is going to be IF output on the modulator and 70 megahertz IF in on the up converter. And it'll be easier to see that.
Okay.
In fact, that cable we can connect to now. Okay, day, 70 megahertz, we'll use the monitor point. Okay, 70 megahertz in. And ASI. Okay, that will plug into the encoder. And that is where you connect to the dish.
To a dish, okay.
Same
Outside.
dish. Outside, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, L-band output. And that's it.
That's it.
All right.
Cut.
Thank you.
Yeah.